I'm right here in one of the most luxurious, serene, automated, and peaceful mini estate sitting in the heart of Enugu. So this is a 6 unit of fully detached 5 bedroom duplexes sitting in an amazing location right here in the city of Enugu. And one thing I like about this property is because of its strategic location. So this property is located in Independence Layout. It's just about 5 minutes from Okpara Square and about 7 minutes from the government house. So first of all, I just want us to take a quick tour around this estate so that you get to see the development that are happening inside this estate. So before we do that, I want to show you the entrance gate, which is over here. So this estate is still under construction. You can see some workers who are still working inside this estate. There are a couple of development that is still going on. But the good thing about this estate is that completed over 85% development, so the construction is still going on. So we have the entrance gate over there, and this is the first unit of the 6 unit of 5 bedroom fully detached duplexes. So this is the first unit, and then we have another unit over here. And then looking into this estate, you see that the road is already tied, the internal road, and that is a very amazing. I mean, even if you're an investor and looking for places that you want to buy and then start living, you should be considering this location. And just looking by the side, you look at the side where you see that it has greeneries. There are not many estates that have this kind of stuff. So they are not just building the road, they also have greeneries, which also add extra beauty to the estate. And then this is a third unit over here. And just look at this particular compound. Look at the space inside this compound. This particular compound can contain up to like 5 vehicles comfortably. And this is also one of the units. This is the third unit. And then we have the fourth unit over there. We have the fifth one, and then that's the last one, which is the sixth one. And this estate comes with a 24/7 power supply. In fact, it has a dedicated transformer for every resident. This is to ensure that every person who will be living here will not have issue with electricity. It has water supply. It is also very automated. The buildings are automated. It has a smart lock. It also has CCTV surveillance camera. That means if you are living here, you are sure of 100% security. I know Independence Layout is one of the most secured locations right here in the city of Enugu. We have in this location, we have the likes of people who are into politics, people who are very wealthy. I mean, people who are dealing in, brands and many companies. They are all living in this place because of the security that is provided and because of the calmness and the serenity in Independence Layout. So we just look at this compound. This is also another unit over here. So you look inside, you see that there are a couple of work that are still going on, but most of the major development have actually been accomplished in this estate. You can see the structure sitting. This is a 5 bedroom fully detached duplex. This is one of the units. So inside it, there are also other developments going on. We have the console, we have the oven, and then every other thing inside the estate. So I just want to show you the recreational center inside this estate, and that's very important, especially for the residents. So imagine someone coming back from work and you are very tired. You don't want to stay inside your house. You can come out in this recreational center, which is over there, which I'm about to show you. Then you can stay there either with your family, or maybe you can even stay there, then get to interact with your neighbor, know people who are living there. So I will just show you how beautiful this recreation center is. And we have, so that's the recreation center. This is the recreational center. There's one over there. There's this one who is also here. And then you can even see a lady there just, enjoying herself. All right. So then we still have the last unit. The last unit, which is over here. So this is the last unit out of the 6 bedroom duplexes. And one thing I must attest about this estate is the space that each of the compound has. There are many places right here in the state of Enugu where you want to buy a house. You see a very beautiful house sitting maybe inside 500 square meter or whatever. But one of the difficulties or challenges that most people have is that it doesn't have enough parking space. But that's one of the things that this estate have been able to solve. So you are not just buying a building, but you are buying a building that is sitting comfortably inside an estate. So each of these compound measures 500 square meter. That's why you have this kind of space. So each of the buildings is sitting inside 500 square meter. Each of these buildings is currently selling for 350 million naira. I mean, that is quite affordable compared to other locations right here in Independence Layout. I mean, you're not just buying a building, but you are buying a building that is comfortably sitting in a very spacious compound. I mean, you can play with your children inside this compound. You can park your car comfortably. You can even have maybe a mini hangout inside this compound. So if you're an investor and looking for a genuine building right here in the city of Enugu that is fully registered, comes with certificates of occupancy, then you need to invest into this estate. I mean, you don't want to miss this opportunity because very soon all the units will be sold out. So all you need is just to go ahead, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen. So I will bring you here. You get to see this property so that you can buy before you hear sold out. So I look forward to seeing your call.